Here we are at Macy's in Hawthorne Mall in Vernon Hills, and we have these Montgomery elevators to ride. Interesting how they have these little rails on the side here because you can't fit anything right there because it's so thin, the door jamb. They have a brush, I guess, probably to keep the glass from scraping. And interestingly, the drop key hole is up there. But anyway, watch it come down. And they have it where the outer doors are glass, but the inner doors are not glass, and I don't like that. All right, the indicator is burnt out on both this one and the other one. It's not burnt out, it's trying to do something. Not very successfully though. Oh boy, crying baby. I'm gonna take the other one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There goes that elevator. Watch it go. Jesus, look at the size of that car top. That's unnecessarily big. All right. Take a look down. Icky, icky hit. All right, down to LL. Telephone. There is the emergency fob. Emergency Vietnamese cuisine. All right, back to one. There's your sir. There's the escalator. Sure is escalating. Anyway. Watch it go down. Jesus, that is huge. Anyway.